Meet Cora, a self-flying taxi developed by Kitty Hawk, a startup backed by Google's co-founder and billionaire Larry Page. Cora is an all-electric, 12-rotor plane drone hybrid that can take off vertically like a drone, but then uses a propeller at the back to fly at up to 177 kilometers an hour for around 100 kilometers at a time. With 3 independent flight computers, the plane can self-navigate even if one computer goes down. And in case things really go wrong, there is an emergency parachute to land it safely without using the fans. Meet SureFly. Manufactured by Workhorse Group, this personal hybrid helicopter is designed perfectly for safe and easy flight. Equipped with 8 independent motors, each driving a single carbon fiber propeller, a backup battery power system, and a ballistic emergency parachute, the SureFly provides unparalleled safety for a personal aircraft. With curb weight of 500 kilograms, and maximum takeoff weight of 680 kilograms. This vehicle can carry a pilot and passenger, or pilot and cargo, and travel at 113 kilometers per hour top speed. The electric motors are propelled by dual generators driven by a gasoline piston engine. In the event the generator fails, the dual lithium battery packs with 7.5 kilowatt hours each will be used for emergency 5 minutes landing. The final product will be able to fly autonomously or manually and targeted to be priced not more than $200,000 US. While vertical takeoff and landing is not new, a company called Lilium claims to have invented a completely new VTOL aircraft concept for the modern age. Meet the Lilium jet, an all-electric VTOL jet with 300-kilometer range and 300 km per hour speed. The jet's whole structure is made from custom-built carbon fiber in order to make the jet light. It consists of a rigid winged body with 12 flaps, each carrying 3 electric jet engines. At takeoff, all flaps are tilted vertical so that the engines can lift the aircraft, and once airborne, the flaps gradually lift into a horizontal position, leading the aircraft to accelerate. With a 5-seater version in the pipeline, Lilium hopes it can become the Uber of the skies by 2025. Known for being a leader in manufacturing aerospace products, Airbus doesn't want to be left behind in the flying taxi race. Introducing Vahana, the self-piloted electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft from A-Cubed by Airbus. It is envisioned being as a cost-comparable replacement for short-range urban transportation like cars or trains. With 8 propellers, 6 horsepower motor output, and 725 kilogram maximum gross takeoff weight, the aircraft will be able to travel at a speed of 175 kilometers per hour. The current model can carry 1 passenger, but by 2020, there will also be a 2 passengers model. The Switchblade. This is a 3-wheel, street-legal sport flying car that you can drive from your garage to a nearby local airport and fly it up to a height of 4 kilometers at a speed of 322 kilometers per hour. With the help of a 190 horsepower liquid-cooled 1.6-liter V4 engine at 129 kilometers per hour, the car will take off naturally once the wings are extended. In order to operate this bad boy, in the ground you will need either an automobile license or a motorcycle license, and in the air you will need a private pilot license. It has a wide cabin with side-by-side seating for 2 and room for over 100 pounds of luggage. The vehicle will be available for sale anytime from 2018 at $120,000 US price, and you can even pre-order it now without making any deposits.
Did you like our list? Which one do you think is the best? Please let us know in the comments section below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video with your friends. Click one of these videos to watch more, or click the notification button to be notified of our new videos. Thank you for watching.